Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Little Roches World, and today we have a special episode dedicated to teaching colors to our little learners. Get ready for a colorful adventure that will make learning a blast for your kids. Before we dive into the fun activities, let's start by introducing the basic colors to our little ones. Let's start with
red. It's a red ball. It's a red flower. It's a red shoes.
It's a red apple.
Blue.
It's a blue fish. The butterfly is blue. It's a blue car. The candies are blue in color.
Yellow.
Yellow duck.
Sunflower is yellow in color.
Yellow star. Yellow bee.
Green.
Frog is green in color. Leaf is green in color. Caterpillar is green in color. Ball is green in color.
Orange.
Orange. Carrot is orange in color. Pumpkin is orange in color. Orange t-shirt.
Pink.
It's a pink lips. Star is pink in color. Pink rose. Pink bow.
Brown.
Deer is brown in color. Clock is brown in color. Bear is brown in color. Teddy bear is brown in color.
Black.
Bird is black in color. Cat is black in color. Microphone is black in color. Black shoes.
White.
White elephant. White ball. White swan. White lily. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. Kids, can you say now which color is it? What is the color of sky? It's blue. What is the color of clouds in sky? It's white. What is the color of sun? It's orange. What is the color of birds? It's black in color. Do you see apple tree? What is the color of apple? It's red. What is the color of leaves in tree? It's green. What is the color of girl's dress? It's yellow. What is the color of girl's hair? It's brown. Yeah, you are right. Now we have studied all the colors.
Thank you for watching Little Roches World. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, kids. See you next time.